Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force.
What's up, my kings and queens? Welcome back to the kingdom, up in the castle. Finna make it happen. It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, and I'm here to give y'all early review on a little something that's coming out this weekend, this Saturday. Now, if you came across my video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. That little red button, don't cost you a dime. And while you at it, make sure you rock the bell like Run DMC, so you be notified of all videos that I drop in the future. As a matter of fact, if you're new to the channel, go back to my archives, check out the other videos that I've done. Like, comment, subscribe. I do answer all my comments. I just like interacting with my people, with the kingdom. All right? And then come back and just subscribe. Appreciate your support. Let's go and get to it. So now, y'all know, Jordan 1 box. Early review on the Jordan 1 first class flight that's coming out. Box reads, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white, yellow. Y'all know what it is, man. Pop the top open. Finna check these things out. Shout out to my sneaker plug, looking out for your boy. Greatly appreciate you. Let me get my hands on these early pairs so I can get a review out for y'all, man. And I must tell y'all, I was on the fence initially when I looked at these a while back on the sneaker release on my Clown or Crown. Wasn't too sure of how I felt about them, to be honest with you. And let's just say this. Here's the shoe. I wasn't too sure about the crinkly leather on it, to be honest with y'all. I gotta keep it a buck with y'all. I was like, that looks crazy. You know what I'm saying? Why is the shoe all crinkly? And to be honest with you, looking at it, it looked like it was hard. It's like crumpled newspaper, crumpled paper or whatever. But pulling these out and I'm looking at them, and guys, when I'm telling you, check that toe box out. Matter of fact, let me take the shoe tree out. That leather's soft. When I say leather is so soft, check that out. The leather is super soft, man. It's perforated. Hold on. Y'all know me having trouble with the lighting, excuse me. So looking at the shoe, man, it's a perforated leather. So it's holes all in the shoe. But the shoe looks like it's hard, but to be honest with y'all, I mean, it's super soft, man. It's not that soft of leather, quality leather that we're used to with the Jordan 1, like a shattered backboard, as everyone says. But let me tell you this, the leather on this shoe is super soft, man. Some people are calling this first class flight. Some people are calling this shoe barcode. Basically barcode. But it has a barcode on the back. And it has his points per game that he averaged on the back. You're also looking at rebounds per game for his career on the back. He has his 23 here, like, caution. There's also his assists per game that he's averaged on the back, so it's barcode. So over here you have the barcode first class flight MJ-4, which I have no idea what the -4 is. If you know what that is, comment down below. Let me know what that's supposed to mean. But then you have the AJ-1023 that's also on the side there. So, I mean, my initial thoughts, I'm actually starting to love the shoe. Just because the leather is so soft. And also on the back around the collar is perforated. You can see it. Not really, but it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it is perforated as well, but it's just not as big and predominant as the upper of the shoe. Of course, you have your Wings logo. That's there. All right. And then you also have this little MJ signature here, which is weird because it actually looked like it's a tab and it comes up, but it actually doesn't, and is actually glued down there. So the MJ logo is glued down there. Of course, you have your Nike Air branding on the tongue, and this is leather. So, and I also actually like the little red threads, little red hits off in the tongue. So, you know, Jordan always has to put his little red off in there some kind of way. You have the insole, which is like a lime green yellow kind of look to it. Size and tags off in there. And this actually does come with an extra set of laces. So you do get yellow laces with the shoes. I actually like that, and I think I would actually pop in the yellow laces on it just to make the shoe pop more, because it is, you know, it's not too much yellow in here, but the yellow laces would do good. And I actually just realized that on the side here, you have the white swoosh, as you guys can see, but then on the lateral side, medial, you have the yellow swoosh. So, classic yellow bottoms. I feel like these shoes are gonna be kind of limited. From what I'm understanding is that it's not limited, super limited, but only certain stores are actually getting these. So these are kind of flying under the radar. From what I understand, only like Foot Locker type stores are getting these. So you got like Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs might get them. From what I'm looking at, I haven't seen Champs get them yet, but at the same time, you never know that people do get their stuff at the last minute. So I haven't seen these on Champs yet, but these are fire shoes, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if you guys are gonna grab these, if you're gonna cop these. These are definitely gonna get the crown. So these will be into the kingdom, and these get released this Saturday, man. Y'all let me know if y'all grabbing these. I do have other apps that I am locked in on just to see if I can grab a couple of pairs of these. These are fire, man. These are fire. I'm really feeling it. I like the First Class Flight. I mean, it only makes sense with Jordan. He is the flight king. You know what I'm saying? Who's gonna do better than him? And I understand, you know, some people like, hey, it's yellow, it's loud, it's a white Jordan. Not too many people are gonna be into it. Not too many people are gonna copy it. But you know what? I definitely had a change of heart, especially looking at the crinkly leather. I thought it was just gonna be, you know, horrible. I thought it was gonna be hard and stiff. But the leather on these guys is pretty good. It's pretty decent, even though it is perforated. But it is soft, man. Just being, I mean, you just look at how it just mushes in the toe box and just doesn't really do. This is a fire shoe. So y'all comment down below. Let me know if you guys are gonna grab these. They're gonna be going for $160. So any J's that's coming out this year, this is the last time you're gonna see $160 as the price. Like I said, they're going up. $170 starting next year. So y'all might as well get ready for it. That extra $10. All right. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you guys feel about these bad boys. And it's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks. And y'all know me, how I love to end my videos, because I be really meaning what I be saying. All my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom. And all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.